بقى وقى city. Marhaba, assalamu alaikum, كيف حالكم? In today's video, I'm going to be walking you guys through the glottal stop. So the examples I just gave, وقى, city, بقى, this is from a type of British accent where there's that glottal stop. But I just wanted to emphasize to you guys, so instead of water, water, instead of city, city, you're stopping in at that T sound. Butter, ba'a, so on and so forth. So this exists a lot in Arabic as well, this sound, which actually, even if you're an American English speaker, like if you're speaking American English, this isn't super foreign, because if you can pronounce the word like uh-oh, this is one of the most commonly given examples for the glottal stop. You can make that sound, the sound there. The only difference is if you're speaking American English, this really doesn't exist in the middle of a word. However, in Arabic, this exists in the middle of the word and at the end of a word as well. Okay, so I'm going to be walking you guys through some examples. Yalla. Okay, so first off, the glottal stop. When people say the glottal stop, this refers to the glottis, and this is basically where your vocal cords are located. And when this is closed, like that causes the glottal stop, basically. So if I say oh, that's an example of a glottal stop. The vocal cords are closing, there's no air coming out, and it makes that sound. Okay, we have this in English. All types of English with words that start with vowels, like apple, for example. You're not saying apple, like bat. No, it's not a continuous sound. You're stopping. You're apple. Okay. You have oven. Any word that starts with a vowel, you would have that sound. Now, where it gets tricky is that in Arabic we have this same sound in the middle of a word and at the end of a word as well. And this is where, if you're not familiar with doing the ba'a, wa'a, si'i sounds, this may be difficult, but I don't think it's too difficult for you guys. I just want to walk you through some examples. So we're going to do that together. So I have some here in Arabic. Okay, so first off, we have the words that start with the hamza in Arabic. We have the name Ahmed. Ahmed. So I'm starting with the Ahmed. Okay, and then we have the word ibn, son, ibn. So there's a E here, actually, E sound, ibn. Now let's take a look at where the hamza or the glottal stop occurs in the middle of a word. A word like faj'a, suddenly, faj'a. We have the I'm not saying faj'a, suddenly, faj'a. Okay, and then mufaja'a, surprise, mufaja'a. I don't say mufaja'a. I want to emphasize that glottal stop. Faja'a, just like faja'a. Tamam? And then we have, for example, the hamza or the glottal stop coming at the end of a word, like the word juz. Pay attention to the juz. It's very subtle, but I'm stopping there. Juz. There's a bit of a juz. Okay, this means part, or part of something. Juz. Okay, and then we have the word ma. This is again standard Arabic pronunciation. Ma. In dialect we'll say mai. If you're new to Arabic, make sure to check out the free mini course in the bio or in the description below that walks over the different types of Arabic. If you have no clue what is MSA, what is standard Arabic, what is dialect, check out the mini course. A lot of your questions will be answered there. We have the word dawa, medicine. Again, the hamza ending at the end, just like ma, which is water, ma, and then dawa. If I have that sound, dawa. Okay? Now, one important tip for you guys, if you're starting out your Arabic learning journey, a lot of times when people speak in everyday life, in dialect, certain letters change. Like the pronunciation changes a little bit. For example, we have the letter qaf, qa, okay? In dialect, in a lot of places, this changes to an a. The qa becomes an a, just like it can also change to a ga in other places. Now, where it changes to a lot of countries in the Levant, as well as Egypt, for example, instead of saying ana qult, I said, we'll say ana ult. This exists in the Levant, as well as Egypt. The qa will change into that glottal stop sound. Ana ult. Okay, so just keep that in mind as you're starting out your Arabic learning journey, and if you're kind of still unsure why people pronounce certain words this way, or you've seen it written one way but people are saying it a different way, this is one of the things that changes with the spoken language. You have a qa, and in certain, again, places of, or the majority of the Levant, the qa will change to an a. Same thing with Egypt, the qaf, the qa sound will change to an a. So just keep that in mind, pro tip for you guys. If you have any questions or examples, let me know in the comments. احكولي بالتعليقات. And if you have ideas for other videos, كمان احكولي. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and check out the free mini course if you're brand new to Arabic. See you in the next video. بشوفكم الفيديو الجاي.